Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on your LinkedIn account, whether you've recently gotten married, want to update your professional identity, or simply need to correct a spelling error. This process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple LinkedIn profiles for different purposes. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see your profile picture and some basic information about yourself. Click directly on your profile. This will take you to your full LinkedIn profile page where you can view all your professional information, experience, and connections. Now that you're on your profile, look over to the right side of the screen. You should notice a pencil icon, which is LinkedIn's universal symbol for editing. This icon allows you to modify your profile details. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon to open the editing interface. A new window or section will appear, giving you access to your basic profile information. Here you'll see fields for your first name and last name. Click into the first name field and delete your current first name, then type in your new first name exactly as you want it to appear on your professional profile. Do the same for the last name field, making sure everything is spelled correctly. LinkedIn also provides an option to add an additional name if you need it. This could be a maiden name, nickname, or any other name you'd like to include for professional recognition. If you want to use this feature, simply fill in the additional name field. If not, you can leave it blank. Once you've entered all your information and double-check that everything looks correct, look for the Save button and click it. This will update your profile with your new name. It may take a moment for the changes to process and appear across your entire LinkedIn presence. And that's it. Your name has been successfully updated on your LinkedIn account, and it will now appear with your new information across the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.